You done with your cookie? You done? And what?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Mom.
Okay, you can have two.
Huh?
You can have two. But then you have to finish eating the one you have, okay? You have one for each hand. Hey. Hey. Good cheating. Good cheating. You stole some. Oh my goodness, Miss Out. Why? No. No, you cannot have more. Finish what you have. Yucky. You don't do that. Okay, see, this is why I don't give you more than one. Can't finish. Let me hold these. Come here. Miss Eleni. Come on. Come here, my love. Drink some milk.
No.
Yeah. Drink some milk. Yes. Oh my gosh, your hands are so dirty. You don't even care. You have some on your fingers. Look, come here. You see? Look at your hands. Look at your hands. Look. Look, come here. Come here. Look at your hand. Look. Yes, I look. She's trying to clean it. Come here. You want another one?